scratch mix this. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kiana Murray and I'm back with another video. Now I know it has been a long time. First and foremost, I want to say Happy New Year and thank you for tuning in, and now we're going to get into the video. Today we have another 7x5 Byebye knot wig. Now this one today is from the company Beauty Forever Hair. I am so excited for this one because I've never tried a Byebye knot straight wig. I have had a whole bunch but never tried a straight one. So first we're going to be unboxing all the goodies that they sent me. They sent me a whole bunch of stuff. They sent me 2 edge bands, which I really appreciate, and 2 wig caps. I feel like you could never go wrong with having a whole bunch of wig caps because I have wig caps all over the place, and I feel like that's the one thing that if you don't have it, your wig install would be very inconvenienced. We are doing a glueless install today. You guys already know I do not like to use glue on my glueless wigs. And this unit is a Byebye knot unit, which means it already comes pre-bleached to pre-plucked and ready to wear fresh out the box. You can have the option of having it cut or not. This is what mine looks like. You can see that those knots are bleached and the hairline is already customized. So we're going to be installing it fresh out the packaging. Look at how beautiful that hairline is. I am going to go ahead and take the skin tone wrapper off just to really give you guys a better close-up. And I'm going to put that on my arm so you guys can see that all of the knots really are gone. Now this wig is very thick, so I was super excited about what style I'm going to do. It comes with a regular grip lining, and I know what you guys are thinking. Where is the elastic band? The elastic band came in a separate little packaging, so if you want to put it on there, you can. You don't have to, but you know, I have to put it on there because I want that extra grip, and you know that I don't really do nothing to my hair. So only thing I did to the lace was just put some lace tint on there. I'm using the even lace tint in the shade medium dark brown, and that was pretty much it before we got to putting it on our head. If you have watched my videos before, you know that I am the queen of leaving my natural hair, not doing anything to it. I know my hair looks crazy. I had a leave out like 2 weeks ago and I've just cornrowed it and kept my hair like that since. But I believe that you should be able to do a glueless wig by just putting on the wig cap and then putting the wig on. I don't feel like you should have to do a ball cap method or have to like glue the wig down, none of that. So this is what we are working with, just a ball cap and some really bad cornrows, but it's okay because I feel like that makes the video more, you know, relatable, because not every braid down is going to be perfect. And then this is the wig. Now, first thing I did not adjust the wig cap, like, not the wig cap, I did not adjust the wig band like I should have. So the first time that I put it on, the wig was loose, and I'm thinking like, okay, it's gonna be snug. No, the wig was loose. This wig is actually big head friendly. It is rare that the 7x5, you know, Byebye knot wigs, even after tightening them, it is rare that they are ever like loose on me. Like usually when I tighten them, it's like, okay, but this one I really had to tighten the band all the way. So for my big headed girlies, you can definitely get into this wig, do not worry. Here you see me tighten it halfway. I never usually have to do it that much, but after I did it like that, it did end up feeling a little bit more snug. You could kind of see from that fold. Once you see the hair fold like that, you know like, okay, it's gonna snap right onto your head. And then the shape of the wig was looking a little bit odd at the top, just because I kind of messed it up when I was putting it on. So I'm going to take a hot comb and just get that to look very flat on my head. But before I do that, I'm taking the bronzer that I use on my forehead and I'm putting that over the lace just to make sure it matches my foundation. One of the benefits of the 7x5 Byebye knot wig is that you can have a whole bunch of parting space. You see how far back my part goes, so it gives the frontal effect, and then you don't have to like be scarce with your part, if that makes sense. You could part your wig all the way back if you need to, so that way it doesn't just look like it's a hump on your head. Like it looks way more natural when you could part it going back, especially if you have a bigger head. I don't know, like having a 4-inch part, I'm not gonna lie, ever since I started wearing the 7x5s, I have not been feeling the wigs that go 4 inches back no more. Like they gotta go at least, you know, 5, because there's some 6x5s, but the 7x5s are really what I like because they give that nice frontal effect. All right, so first things first that I kind of want to get into, the hair is, hold on, let me focus this a little bit so it's a bit darker. Okay, there we go. The hair is giving me very luxurious vibes. I like how it comes like silky straight fresh out the packaging. You know, I am gonna do a different style on it. I think I'm gonna do a deep side part because I haven't really been doing the side parts with the 7x5 Byebye knot wigs, but this wig is long. Okay, you guys saw the length on that. This wig is long. This wig is 24 inches. It does look longer. I don't know. I feel like straight hair always looks a lot longer on me. I haven't had a straight wig in a while, but y'all, this wig is nice. I think it's more towards like a black. It's a natural black, but it looks more black than brown to me, at least. I'm thinking of doing a deep side part with this hair, but this is what it looks like so far. I am going to include 2 different looks in the thumbnail just to give you guys an idea of how the wig is. And yeah, let me go find that rat tail comb to actually do my little glueless trick that I always do to prove that the wig is glueless. As you can see, the rat tail goes back pretty far. Another glueless wig that we finally did. I feel like I need to get more into straight ones because I've been doing a lot of curly, body wave. And someone asked me for a straight one the other day and I was like, I haven't been doing them. So I decided to do this one. But yeah, so I'm gonna take a few pictures and then I'm gonna try to do the deep side part on this side. And we are just gonna take a moment to admire how this hair looks with the middle part. Now, as much as I love the middle part, they sent me an email and they were like, how about we try a deep side part? And I was like, yes, because I barely ever do a side part. That is my deep side part. So you can see that this hair has a lot of versatility. You could do a whole bunch with it, but to do this, I kind of cut some edges to kind of give it that frontal effect and make it look more natural. I only cut a little bit on one side. I don't think I'm going to do the other side. It's just for, you know, temporary measures or whatever. And I'm going to do that little side part edge. You could brush the hair back afterwards if you want. And I'm using my lace tint mousse just because I feel like when I use regular mousse, it kind of washes the color off that I put on my lace. Especially when I use the powder and it just gets runny. So I'm using the lace mousse with a little bit of tint to it just so that the color doesn't get lost. And then I'm taking my time and I'm shaping that to how I want it. Since we do not have, you know, lace covering the full extent of the hair, you want to make sure that the sides still look as natural as possible. So I'm just being real careful with that. Look at that hair. It looks like I just got a fresh install, and if you were looking at it, you would not know that this is a glueless wig. That is what I love about these glueless wigs. You can get the full glam look that you want without all of the extra effort, and you can do it at home yourself. And they are beginner friendly because they come fully customized. And just in case y'all believe me, look, I'm putting it underneath my edge. Under my edge. And it did not budge. So yeah. Alright, this is given very much IG baddie. I really do like the fact that I decided to do a side part. Mind you, it wasn't even my suggestion, it was theirs. They was like, you know, try a side part, see how it works. I am so glad I did. And look at how good I am getting at this glueless stuff because I'm putting the comb underneath my edges at this point. Yeah, this eats. I'm sorry. This is a 7x5 closure. It is 180% density, 24 inches. Look at how beautiful this wig looks, y'all. And the wig comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, ready to wear fresh out the packaging. All I did was just add the lace tint to it, and then, you know, I did my own thing with the little edges or whatever. You could definitely have this give a frontal effect. Mind you, I don't have a frontal, but you see how it kind of looks like I do? Yeah, that's what we're going for. If you want to check out more from Beauty Forever Hair, make sure you go and check out the description box below. They have a whole collection of Byebye knot wigs. I love you guys. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.